I've been wondering what I could do about this little situation we call me and you. Bird on a wire, he knows more than I do. To my little my darling. As a young man, I used to get real mad about anything and everything. Remind me of my dad. Yeah, I thought of what was missing instead of what I had. Give to my little my darling. Used to want to find a man twice my size, just grab him by the throat, look him in the eye, say you better start praying, boy, before you start dying. And one night we got drunk and burned up our arms with 7 cigarettes I stole from Grandma's farm. Yeah, toughest guy in town, wound up crying in my arms. Never gotta fight again after that night. Them philosophers might say I had an epiphany that night. Use it for the good if you got a lot of might, boy. To my little my darling. Listen to a singer named John Q. Prine. He's just like a famous singer, but he only plays my mind. Yeah, speaks real soft when I feel like dying. To my little my darling. Never meant to hurt you when I seem unkind. It's just some bats in the belfry, clouding up my mind. Yeah, I'm still climbing rainbows. At least I'm still trying. My little my darling. I've been wondering what I could do about this little situation we call me and you. Sometimes nothing. I've been wondering what I could do about this little situation we call me and you. Bird on that wire, he knows more than I do. To my little